Hi everyone, this is Anna. Now I'm at the packaging side of VV. My colleagues are packaging the WW40JET intensifier pump. This is a 60,000 psi, 14 horsepower high pressure pump that will be sent to Thailand. The customer is a well-known local steel company. The machine will be used for cutting a variety of metal materials such as stainless steel, iron, and so on. Due to the COVID-19, the ocean freight is expensive. The booking time is long, but the situation has improved very well recently. My customers also began to place orders. If you have the intention to add new equipment recently, it is recommended to arrange machine order and put it into production as soon as possible, so as to seize the market opportunity after the economic recovery. Thank you. I'm Anna. Hello friends, the WW40JET intensifier pump has been packaged and doing the loading operation now. I hope it can reach the customer's factory as soon as possible and bring more value to the customer. Thank you.